Welcome back to the second semester, Unity Tigers. We are excited to share with you all of the great things that have happened in the first semester and all of the events coming up the second semester. We just finished with our math testing right before break. So far, results in phenomenal scores, both reading and math. Keep it up, Tigers!
We've had 2 amazing family nights so far. Join us for our February family night, I Love Heart. In March, we have our STEAM night, and 6th grade families be on the lookout for our inaugural 6th grade family night.
Hey, and I had so much fun at that last dance. We're going to have another one in spring, so get ready. And also, we're going to have a gaming truck every month. I hope you can join us.
We're counting down the days till graduation. Make sure you're here, on time, engaged, and making it happen.
Students just finished their middle of the year iReady diagnostic, and next week we begin access testing.
Please get plenty of rest and be on time.
Good luck with testing.
Congrats all the students that made the honor list past quarter. Well done. Can't wait to see what you do in the semester ahead.
Here at Unity, we are continuing to work hard on improving student attendance. Please remember that if you cannot be here for a prior obligation, try to come to school for at least part of the day.
Remember, every Tiger matters.
Every minute counts.
Here at Unity, we have many sports teams happening. Our Special Olympics basketball team just made it to state. Co-ed wrestling and girls volleyball are starting their season, so come out and cheer them on.
Make it a great day now. The choice is yours.